Hi guys, my mom is making caramel popcorn. You need marshmallows, butter. You need brown sugar, a bowl, and a spoon in a cup. And then you put that stuff in there.
The brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
How much?
And then you get the butter.
How much of brown sugar?
I don't know.
A half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of butter.
Is this a half a cup?
Yes.
That's
The
a
whole
lot.
thing?
Half a cup of butter.
Yeah, okay.
When it melts, it's not a lot.
Mommy, say hi.
No, please don't. I don't want to be on camera.
You get this out.
You're not saying that I have to restart the whole thing.
No, you
now.
don't. Just keep going.
Okay, now you put this in the microwave and melt it for 2 minutes.
That's a plastic bowl. Okay. So you put half a cup of butter, half a cup of brown sugar.
Okay, she's weird.
You need a bag of popcorn, which is right. A full bag, not the
nice.
minis.
Yep. That needs to be cooked for 3 minutes, I think.
Until
Just
it's
read
done
the
popping.
instructions.
Mommy, does it need to be 3 minutes?
Until it's done popping.
Oh, okay. It's done talking.
You need a pan.
A tray.
Tray. No, it's like a pan.
Kind of.
Something on it.
Well, you don't really need a pan. Marshmallow. Here, let me have one. Oh, I love this.
Alright, so you want to try and get all the kernels out.
Yep.
It's kind of hot.
Oh, and how long do you cook this for?
2 minutes.
You cook the butter and the brown sugar for 2 minutes.
Oh, Mom. Watch out.
Wait, do you need this whole bag of marshmallows?
I have 3 bags. Anyway.
They were on sale.
If you see any, just pick them up for me.
Right there. Alright, nobody eats the popcorn anymore.
It's okay, there's going to be plenty of popcorn. Yeah, they're hot. You want to pick the kernels out because when you pour the caramel on it,
Wait, that's how you make caramel, brown sugar, and butter?
Marshmallows are very good. See this? Wait, can you see me? Fluffy.
okay, so stir that.
Ew, looks gross.
Stir that.
You want to stir the melted brown sugar, butter. Ew, it looks like...
It looks kind of nasty, but once you get it done, it looks really cool. Check all the kernels.
So this is Carmel.
Okay, now you put
Oh,
11
here's our kitchen, by the way. Living room.
Here.
Okay.
We put 11 marshmallows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's just make sure.
Let's look at that. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And what do we
Put
do
it
now?
back in the marshmallow in the microwave.
4. So put it back in the
2
microwave
minutes.
for 2 full minutes.